Ever wonder how tiny spiders manage to catch prey that's sometimes bigger than themselves? These mini predators have perfected the art of the hunt, from sticky webs that trap the unsuspecting to lightning-fast jumps that leave no escape. Each species has its unique tactics. Some lie in wait, relying on their intricate webs, while others, like jumping spiders, actively stalk and pounce on their prey with pinpoint accuracy. Small but fierce, these spiders prove that size doesn't matter when it comes to being a top predator. Who knew such tiny creatures could be so deadly? Discover more. Subscribe for more quick wildlife facts.